Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to General Awareness for Competitive Exams in English. So I hope you're all doing well and all the things are going in proper direction. Also daily you are reading current affairs, you are solving PDF and also you are following this class, also you are revising all the things. Okay, lots of things are there and I hope that you are doing it without fail. So today this is our 19th session of your General Awareness Masterclass for all the competitive exams, and today also we will see that what are the questions are there for you and which current affairs, which month current affair we will revise. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, so question number 108, the World Food Program, that is WFP. Okay, first full form. WFP means World Food Program, is the food assistance branch of the United Nations where it is headquartered. Okay, so where is the headquarter of WFP, which is the assistant branch of United Nations? So options are Rome, New York, Paris, Brussels. Okay, so correct answer is Rome. So WFP have headquarter in Rome. Okay, and also for United Nations, you know the headquarter is at New York. Okay, United Nations headquarters, and this is your WFP. This. Okay. So let's move to the question number 109. Archaeologist R. Nagaswamy was honored at the Silver Jubilee International Conference of Art by which country? Okay, so R. Nagaswamy given Silver Jubilee International Conference of Art. So by which country? Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, China. So correct answer is Bangladesh. Okay, correct answer is Bangladesh. Now about Bangladesh, you know that CM is your Sheikh Hasina. Okay, Sheikh Hasina. What is capital of Bangladesh? That is Dhaka. And what is the currency? What is the currency? Taka. Okay, and Nagaswamy. So basically, one book is there of Nagaswamy, which is very famous book, you can say. So just remember, they may ask you the question that book name is Dharma Yoga, Dharma Yoga or Dharma Yoga. Okay, like this you can see. So this is the information you should remember. So R. Nagaswamy, who is R. Nagaswamy? Archaeologist. So this thing also they may ask you. Okay, so 3-4 questions they may ask you from this. So let's move to the question number next, that is 110. In which state the Khadi and Village Industry Commission KVIC opened the first silk processing plant? Okay, so Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat. So first silk processing plant opened by KVIC at Gujarat. At Gujarat. Okay, so few things are there. You should remember. You should know that silk production. Silk production. Okay, so the process of silk production is called sericulture. Sericulture. First point. First point. Okay, then second, that 5 kinds of silk are there in our India, and 90% silk, okay, is your mulberry silk. Mulberry. How much? 90% approximately. Okay, other silks are also there like eri silk, muga silk. Okay, mulberry, eri, muga. Then tropical tussar, and temperate tussar. Okay, temperate tussar. So these are the 5 kinds of silk we have in India. Okay, the process of silk production, sericulture, 5 types are this, and most used or most available silk type is mulberry silk. Okay, now about KVIC. So KVIC is started in 1956. Okay, headquarter is in Mumbai. Current chairperson of KVIC, who is the current chairperson of KVIC? You should know this, already we discussed this. So Vinay Saxena. Vinay Saxena is a current chairperson of KVIC. Okay, it comes under Ministry of MSME, that is Ministry of Small, Micro, Medium Enterprises. Okay, micro, small, medium enterprises. So this thing you have to remember. And who is the Union Minister? Union Minister of this ministry, that is Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is the Union Minister of MSME, that is Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Ministry. So this much information you should remember for this question, very important question for you. Okay, in January 2020, now this is the highlighted question of our today's class, that Home Minister Amit Shah released a book, Karmoyoddha Granth. The book is based on the life of Jawaharlal Nehru, Narendra Modi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Mahatma Gandhi. So yes, the correct answer will be Narendra Modi. Okay. Karma Yodha Grantha. So this thing you should remember. The book is based on Narendra Modi life. Okay. Okay. Question number 112. Which state's legislative assembly adopted a new logo consisting of national emblem and foxtail orchid? Foxtail orchid. Okay. Which this is the scientific name of foxtail orchid. So you should remember. Okay. What is the scientific name? That Rhynchostylis retusa. Rhynchostylis retusa. Okay. The state flower in January 2020. So basically one logo is there. In that logo we have national emblem and this is the state flower of that particular state: Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so correct answer for this question is Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh state flower is foxtail orchid. Compulsory, you should remember. Okay, who is the governor? Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh and who is the CM of Arunachal Pradesh? You should know. So governor is B.D. Mishra. Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, B.D. Mishra, and CM is Prema Khandu. Prema Khandu. Okay. Now from this question we got, okay, now see, we got that state flower of Arunachal Pradesh, but other things are also there, so that's why it is very important for us to discuss. Okay, and just put here 3 stars. Very important question. Okay, so state flower is foxtail orchid. This is the scientific name. State animal, bird, okay, tree, fish, flower already you know, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so state animal is your ghayal. Okay, ghayal, you also call it is mithun. One yak, yak, it is the animal. Okay, bird is hornbill bird. Then tree is golden maser, golden maser. Okay, and sorry, this is fish. Okay, fish. Then tree is holoni. Tree is holoni. Okay, golden maser is the fish. Tree is holoni. Bird hornbill. Animal ghayal, also called mithun. Okay, so this question also asked in one of the examination that mithun is the state animal of which of the following state. So mithun is the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so like this they will ask question, any question they will ask you, so just you have to be ready. Okay, so now as you know that we are in April month, so it's time to start our March month also. So that's why now from today onwards I will include March month also in last 12 month revision session. Okay, so today we will see some of the current affair of March 2021 which is very important for you for your upcoming exams. So first is your Suez Canal. Okay, so you know that Suez Canal connects two seas, that is Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Okay, Red Sea. Recently what happened that in Suez Canal like this, suppose, so one ship like this, okay, one ship like this stuck here. That's why it is off, it is closed for 1 week I guess. So this was in news, that's why you should know. Okay, it connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Okay, one ship was there, that's why this is in news, so that's why it is very important for discussion. Okay, second, Indo-Korean Friendship Park. Okay, so where Indo-Korean Friendship Park inaugurated at Delhi camp. Okay, at Delhi camp it is inaugurated. So you should know. And Korean. Okay, so I know want president, capital, and your currency of Korea. Korea currency, and I want everything in comment section. Okay, let's see whether you know or not. Then third one, as this is our quick revision current affairs session, that's why Vajra Prahar. Okay, so Vajra Prahar 11th session is done at Himachal Pradesh, and this exercise in between to which two country? India and US. Okay, United States. So Vajra Prahar does happen there. The next thing is your Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Center at Khajuraho. Okay, so basically UNESCO add this into World Heritage Site. World Heritage Site. So remember, they will ask you Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Center at where? Khajuraho. Okay, at where? Khajuraho. It is added to UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, the next one, that 66 Filmfare Award list was there. Okay, so lots of things are there, but still we will remember few things. That is best movie. Best movie is Thappad. Best movie is Thappad. Okay, Hindi movie. Then best actor is Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan. Okay, and best actress is Tapsi Pannu. Tapsi Pannu or Pannu. Tapsi Pannu, Tapsi. Okay, whatever. So like this, three things is enough for you to remember. So this was your March 2021 very important current affair which we will get in your exam. Okay. So if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can ask me. And any problem you are facing, then definitely DM me on Instagram. I will be always available for you. Keep revising, keep doing study, okay, and keep improving the sections which you are having in your upcoming exams. All the best.